So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to screencast-o-matic.com. On the original page, it's going to give you the option to install Screencast-o-matic onto your computer. That can be helpful if you're going to be making a lot of videos, and then you can pin it to your start menu. You can put it on your desktop, and you can have easy access to it at any time. However, if you don't think you're going to be making a lot of videos, you can always navigate just to the website and click Record Screencast. Now, this is version 2.0. I realized in the session yesterday that some people were having some issues with 2.0, so you could use Recorder version 1.0. It doesn't have quite the same many features as 2.0, but if you are having troubles, maybe you want to try version 1.0. Once you click Record Screencast, it's going to bring up something that looks like this again. So it's going to give you these squares here. You can see along the outside I've taken a screen capture of my screen when I did this earlier. It's going to give you these things that you can resize to change how much of your screen is going to be captured. And as well, it's going to give you these options. So you can record just your screen, you can record just your webcam, or you can have the picture of yourself in the lower left-hand corner, or you can move it around wherever. You can change the maximum amount of time, the size, say where the audio is coming from if you're using a mic, and change some of the preferences. And once you're all set, there's a record button here in the bottom left-hand corner. You press that record button, and it'll give you a countdown of 3, and you just start going after you reach the end of that countdown. There'll also be a pause button that you can hit at any time if you want to stop, take a breath, take a drink of water, flip the page on your script, whatever it is that you need to break for, and it'll give you another countdown of 3 to start back up again. And it's pretty seamless. If you are looking to edit something that you've done in screencasting, I would suggest using Windows Movie Maker or Camtasia or a program like that where you can do small changes if you want to get rid of something. However, like we talked about near the end, I would encourage sort of just doing it, either sticking to a script or just doing it. It's not a big deal if you have a cough in there or if you mispronounce a word. In general, people don't really care that much. Once you have your video, I usually download the video file to my desktop and then put it in one of my folders, and then go into YouTube, upload it through YouTube. So you can do that, or you can just publish it straight to YouTube after you're done the video. It'll give you that option in Screencast-O-Matic. And remember, you want to be careful about whether you want your videos, your educational videos, to be public, private, or unlisted. Public means that anybody can search and find your video. Private means that you have to have the link in order to find it, and unlisted means that you have to have the link in order to find it as well. But if people are on your page, or if people are on your YouTube channel for any reason, they can still find your video. It's not totally private. It just means that it won't show up in the search results, so it's unlisted in the search results. So once you've got your video on YouTube and you're ready to share it, you can go into your Blackboard shell. And I'm just in my weekly learning here. Let's say I wanted to post a video in here. I could say test video, and then I could say, hello students, here is the video. Then I would go into HTML. This is what you need to do, and if you can't find HTML, you need to toggle this switch here to show more. Click on HTML, and we're going to go to YouTube quickly in order to grab a video. Let's see. Let's get a Titanic disaster. You're going to go to YouTube. You're going to go to oh, it doesn't want me to share that one for some reason. So let's do this one. We're going to go to a video. We're going to find the share button. Click on share. We're going to click on embed. We need the embed code, not just the URL up here. We need the actual embed code. We're going to copy this embed code. We're going to go back to Blackboard. We're going to go back to the HTML view, and we're just going to paste that in there. We're going to click update, and now you can see we've got our fancy little video in there. We click submit. Take a few seconds to embed it. And we're going to have it at the bottom here. So now you can see the video. They can actually watch the video in Blackboard. They don't have to go to an outside link. It's going to save you a lot of space in your Blackboard shell as well, because it's an embedded link. It's not directly into Blackboard, so it's going to